As humans, we often need the help of other humans. But if there's no such help available, can we instead rely on robots for our day-to-day activities? One of the main reasons why we cannot do so today is because robots cannot learn a new task quickly. For example, imagine that you need to load your dishwasher at the end of the day. This is a task so effortless you can probably do it while you're half asleep. But have you considered how many intricate decisions you take doing such a seemingly simple task? For example, I am sure that you would arrange and place dishes so they won't fall and break during washing. And at the same time, you would make sure that they face fully the water jets. Also, probably you would be little extra careful when handling those delicate ceramic items. So as you can see, even loading a dishwasher can be quite a tricky task. But how do we carry out these complex physics tasks with such ease in our day-to-day lives? The answer to that question lies in our internal physics simulator. Now you may be wondering, I have a physics simulator? And what exactly is a physics simulator? To answer that question, a physics simulator is a software that implements physics rules so that we can use it to imitate real-world physics behaviors. We have a similar biological physics simulator in us that helps us plan complex physics tasks such as loading a dishwasher. Not only that, we also can efficiently imagine the environment around us so that we only learn things that are needed to complete a task. For example, when you place a dish in the dishwasher, you would probably check the weight of that dish or the brittleness of that dish, but usually you won't care about the bounciness of that dish. Why? Because that doesn't help the task. Now let's compare the behavior of robots. Today, most robots also have access to a physics simulator. But what they don't have is this kind of fast learning ability of the environment or the knowledge of what environment factors are most required to learn a task. This is what I am trying to address in my PhD. In my study, I try to improve the interactions of robots by building a relationship between the task and the environment factors that are most essential for that task. My work so far has shown that building this kind of an awareness in robots can help them cut down many unnecessary interactions during learning a new task. To conclude, even though we have lots of robots in our factories, they can't really learn a new task quickly because they don't know what to learn. By addressing this single problem, robots can do much more to improve the quality of human lives by integrating them in many tasks that today need the help of another human, such as in elderly care or hospital care. And my work can research can help robots in this direction. Thank you.